I notice the steering wires are thinner than the drive wires, so they're not expecting so much current to go to the steering, which is common. Right, so this is our steering unit. Which also does the banking. Clipped together. Okay, let's see if we can get it apart and have a look. This is going to be quite a long video, isn't it? All these bits and pieces. Ready for all the bits to fall out. Whoa, got a lot of gears there. A lot of gears. What's that odd one that just fell out? Well, that was holding that in place, wasn't it? Right, let's try and get these back in the right order. Okay. That one's going to be there. That one's going to be up there. And that one that fell out is that one. Slide over. There we are. Right, but easier to see that way round. We had it upside down. So motor turns. That turns that gear, a little bit of reduction. Because that's smaller than that one. That one's smaller than that one. That one turns that one. Again, we're back to smaller, turns that one, small one, turns that one, small one, then turns this bit, which is the main steering, or banking as it is. That doesn't want to stay in there, yeah. So that's our gearbox for the steering. That does look like we might have some sort of clutch effect on there, just there, to protect the motor. Oh, yeah. Interesting. Can we get that back together in one piece? Ah. This is all dusty. I've never seen one quite like that before. These little bits. Stay still. They fit on there. And then that fits on there. Interesting. Never seen anything like that. Some sort of clutch. Fascinating. So can we get the lid back on again? Last look. Right, well, I'll put that back in place. Oh no, I can't, because it looks like we've got to take that off so we can get down to the drive motor.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.